Hello everyone. In this video I will show you some extraordinary photos of the doorknobs. On our trip to Europe, Venice, Italy and Prague, we had an opportunity to explore the culture, the uniqueness of ancient history and the beauty of each place that we visited. But the most significant thing that we notice in Prague and Europe is the ancient doorknobs. It is not only fascinating enough for my husband to take photos for each one that he found, but it also triggers my curiosity about their meaning and history of the doorknobs. Here are some of the insights that I found to add to our collections and wisdom. Ancient doorknobs hold a significant historical and cultural meaning as essential components of architectural design. They not only serve functional purposes but also carry symbolic value. In ancient times, doorknobs were crafted with meticulous attention to detail and often reflected the artistic style prevalent during the particular era. They were crafted from various materials such as wood, metal, stone, or even precious metals like brass or bronze. The designs of the ancient doorknobs were often influenced by prevailing architectural styles and cultural motifs of the time. Beyond their practical use as handles for the opening and closing doors, ancient doorknobs also had symbolic significance. They represented protection, security, and the sense of welcome. A sturdy and well-crafted doorknob symbolized the strength and stability of the structure it adorned. It provided a barrier against intruders, safeguarding the occupants within. In some cultures, doorknobs was adorned with intricate carvings and engravings that held specific symbolic meanings. These decorative elements often depicted religious or mythological symbols, heraldic motifs, or significant cultural references. They serve as a visual representation of the beliefs, values, and traditions of the community or the occupants of the building. Furthermore, doorknobs were sometimes designed to convey social status or wealth. Elaborated and ornate doorknobs were often found in grand palaces, noble residences, and important public buildings, signifying the power and prestige of the inhabitants. Over time, as architectural styles evolved and new technologies emerged, the design and function of doorknobs have changed. However, the ancient doorknobs that have survived serve as testament to the craftsmanship and artistry of earlier civilizations. They offer a glimpse to the aesthetics, cultural heritage, and symbolism of the past. In summary, ancient doorknobs are not only functional objects but also hold cultural, symbolic, and historical significance. They reflect the architectural styles, cultural motifs, and social dynamics of the time, leaving a tangible connection to the past for us to appreciate and admire. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you love all of the ancient doorknobs. This is my precious collection. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, give it a thumb up, like to support my channel. Thank you so much.